welcome to my channel. My name is Elaine Rau and I do product reviews. Today I'll be reviewing Blooming Jelly's tank top. Beautiful pink tank. The back little detail is like a scrunchy, like razor back with some pleating. Detail over here in the front is just a nice big sunflower. And of course there comes in all different designs and stuff like that. So let me go ahead and try it on. Here's the tank top. Color's nice. It's exactly what the photo looked like. Nice and loose, but not too loose. You know, it still gives off a little bit of a shape. In the back, falls, you know, right where it's supposed to. The pleating is interesting as it gives a little bit more room up top, but it does, I guess, sag a little bit here. Let me see the other side. Actually, I kind of like how it falls. You know, it kind of scrunches up that detail and kind of goes down a little bit. So this is the tank, nice and comfortable, gray fabric, nice design. You can tell it's printed on with a high quality ink, so it's not gonna like come off. If you'd like to purchase this tank, make sure to check out the link below, and for more product reviews, continue watching, and I'll see you in the next video.